It's the same.
Okay, welcome. Welcome, guys. We are here. We're gonna do hiking. Where are we?
Same difference.
What's the name of this thing? Okay, this is very close to our house. What's the name?
Spruce Bluff Reserve.
Spruce Bluff Preserve.
Reserve.
Reserve.
Preserve.
That's what I said.
Yeah, I
You
know.
corrected me.
Yeah.
Ay, ay, ay. Because my son has a school thing. Can you go ahead, young, please? Ay, 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 ay.
They have these things all over Florida. That's why we live in Florida. We just never go to any.
Well, you never bring us because you don't want to walk.
I don't mind walking. There's a reason.
Yeah, we have a reason right now, a project.
I don't mind running if there's a reason, like police are chasing me. Rabid dogs.
Ooh.
Some people come out bird watch. This reminds me of what used to be across from my house.
Ocala?
No,
Out the Tampa?
right across the street. Miles and miles.
Did you bring your water with you, love? Why you did not bring your water with you? Go get your water. I have mine. You drink a lot of water. Go get your water. No, you have to go back. We stay here. Oh, why don't you ask William to get it, love? Just open the car. You can open it here, you know? Try not to eat any fruit here that you don't know.
Since I don't know any fruit here.
That's cool. Oh, I'm glad it's not too sunny. I was worried it's too sunny. Yeah.
Pretty decent. Got nice clouds.
Exactly.
Not too hot, not too cold. A little breeze would be good, but we are in the woods, so
It's nice. The good thing here in Florida is we can go in a lot of places that really close. Like we are so close to Miami, we're close to Orlando, all the theme park are there. Miami, all the beaches, nice beaches. Miami Beach. We have beach here too, Hutchinson Island. I was there last week. Yeah, last Saturday I was at the beach. Yeah. And then what else? Like we have a lot of preserve park like this. We can walk a trail, explore. Oh, Tom is explaining why he didn't walk a lot. He said you're much younger than I. What an excuse. I might need that someday.
actually there are some pine trees here.
Yeah.
Not smelling pine. The problem with the pine trees is when you get a really bad storm, they're gonna be here.
Why?
So
They
it
fall?
blows and the roots come out and they fall over and they kill you. Has one fallen?
Why you wanna go in a trail park during the...
The sandy soil makes the roots not hold them up very well in a big storm. Well, sometimes you're on the coast and a big storm comes in, blows a tree over, almost got hit by one. Max almost got hit by one too. I had to kind of drag him out of the tree.
I wonder how it looks like.
Not in the mood. Well, you're not in the mood to get hit by a tree either, so we're gonna move.
Remember when we got chased by the dog? 2 hot dogs.
Yeah.
We're like, help! Help! Like that? Oh gosh.
I probably could have wore sandals. It's not that bad.
It's cool.
Actually, pretty nice trail. You can bring your gadget.
I know why we did not bring Aso.
You can't bring Aso here.
Yes, we can, as long as he has leash.
Baby girl.
No, love. William will take care of it. Next time we come back here, let's bring the dog.
Alright. If we come back here.
Why you don't want to come back right
We have
already?
to go to another one. We can't go the same one every day.
No, but this is like quiet, just
Wait.
us. What? I know, I saw it. So what? Oh, God.
All excited. It's number 4. Whatever the hell.
Crazy. Number 4. Say hi, Yum, and tell them why we are walking in the trail right now.
And I'm thinking it's going to look a lot coming back because I can see the other
Yeah.
side.
They always give you a way to come back if you want to come back.
I know,
See
but
that?
usually, you don't see the other side because it winds around. This one's kind of like a race car track.
While we're here, Yum, why?
I have to do
Wait.
project.
Wait.
Love, you need to stop. I know that's 5.
How often do
Explain.
you see a 5? And
Hold it, Yum, please, and explain why.
Oh, I have to do a project. That's pretty much all.
You drug your parents here?
Yep.
Yeah, it's
and
always.
I've heard there's a 6.
No. Stop. I'm pretty sure.
Sneaky animal does not like to be viewed in the bright daylight.
Well, I
Yeah,
guess they're
sneak up
under
on
the.
6.
Ay, naku. Tomas.
Right, it's elusive 6.
So weird. Weird to hear Americans speaking like a Brit or whatever. European. No, not European. European's like there's a French, there's Italian. So let's say Brit.
With me blooming teeth.
I think you sound like Harry Potter.
Oh, there's the elusive 6. Don't see one of those every day, do you?
Oh, I wish we bring Aso. So we're screaming right now.
Yeah. Stop it!
Stop! Stop!
Open it up.
You stupid dog! You make me look bad! So we have never there. Walk, love, walk. What?
You know, like you're on an African safari cat.
Oh, God.
Auxiliary trail. We can go back.
Can you go there?
Take a look at there. Number 7.
Are you sure this is the way?
It probably comes back here. Here's an arrow on it pointing that way. That means it's got to go back.
I hope so. Are you sure, love?
Pioneer trail. Right.
What, yeah? Oh, so we have maps. The good things we have maps.
8.
And up ahead is the cemetery.
It's an 8.
What?
Where? Which way? That way?
No, keep going and then we'll have to
This
look.
How about this way? What is this way?
Let's just keep going straight on.
Right. Is the cemetery ahead?
Crazy.
Oh, there's blooming people dying to get in there.
Oh, okay. It's just straight because you just go around and come back here.
There's people dying to get in there.
Now you need to stop.
Oh, it's a dog.
Oh, yeah.
This is known as fuzzy balls.
Fuzzy balls.
Right. These are blooming fuzzy balls.
What balls?
This is
Oh.
from watching horror movies. It makes your balls scary. Balls off, and they all come in. Don't step on the balls. They get upset. You fuzzy. Oh, trees fall down. Because the roots don't stay in soil very well. And then the park
Oops.
service comes through and cleans them out of the trail. And like this one, they just chop out the piece of it, take the dead bodies away.
And leave this tree
Explains why there's cemetery.
right in the middle.
Explains why there's cemetery here.
Why? I think I understand why.
All the people that didn't get off the trail before the storm came through. Right.
Yep. I think this is Williams.
That's the plants, William. They're supposed to smell like that.
So where we should
It's
go?
actually the absence of humanity.
Yep. The absence of humanity.
Where's the cemetery?
I can smell the dead now.
Yeah. They bury them, I'm sure. If they don't, then they're in trouble.
Keep walking, please.
You have no idea where we're going, do you?
Oh my, our nav.
Yeah.
So guess what? The whole family get lost.
Which is why you
We're
never
right
give,
around.
never give a map to William. Right.
Actually, it should be.
Should be
Right
here.
there.
Oh, yeah.
Where?
Behind the
Oh
fence.
yeah, that's true. Why we didn't go there?
You can't go in there.
Oh, okay.
Not supposed to go. Probably the very old. People died a long time. They just didn't want to move.
I don't think it's a cemetery log.
Early pioneer settlement. Yeah, it could be. Or it could just be a monument.
Okay.
No, it's a cemetery.
William, can you stand there?
See what they used to do is when people lived in a village, basically wherever they lived, they buried them. There was probably a church. We're in here. So you're born here, you go to church there, and you die
No,
here.
please. Don't point everywhere. Just stand there, young, please. So you have proof to your teacher. There you go. Ako naman.
Very sad.
Sayang naman yung...
Age 5.
Wait, there's a video there.
Oh. Age 5 years old died.
5 years old. Here, young, please. Up here.
The whole family.
Wait,
Ah,
hold on.
Stop.
One more. There you go.
Whole village.
Goodness.
You need to make a wider shot so we can all go in. The whole village?
This is whole village.
Mm-hmm.
This small whole village.
It's an early pioneer settlement. 1892. Probably wasn't a lot of people in Florida in 1892. Why? Because there was no way to get here.
Yeah, they're all swamp.
All swamp. Hurricanes ripped out the railroads 3 times before the interstates.
Beehive.
Yep, bees.
Ooh.
Right, bees.
It's inside.
Inside the tree, that's where they live. See their hive? You can see
Get a rock, young.
Don't you dare. Unless you
Joking.
can run faster than all those bees. Boy, stay away from the bees.
Yep, stay away from the bees.
They don't like company.
Oh yeah, I can see them here, flying around too.
They like your blooming company. Preserve large culture. Usually what happens is they give these to the state. The family wills it to the state. And then the state puts it in perpetuity.
Well, how come this is preserved when there's no really there's nothing? I mean, No.
That's
There's.
a plot of land. That's what a preserve is. You're preserving nature.
Oh, okay.
If you did something to it, you wouldn't be preserving it.
Oh, that's a nice house there.
Right, because this is the preserve. That's not. And that's not. Right. But it's nice to have a house right on it, because then you know nobody will do anything to it.
You never know.
Huh?
You never know.
You
No. To do it, but to you, it's a different.
No, you always buy a house.
Don't tell me it's gonna rain.
Uh-oh, then a pine tree will fall and I'll put you back there to the cemetery.
Stop. Oh, look at that. Mmm.
My dad used to have stuff like this on the tree.
Okay, picture. Okay, if I can reach it.
Never gonna get that.
Love, you need to stop.
I can see 6 houses from here.
Ooh, there's water there.
Oops.
Ooh, you okay?
Oops. In the trail. Very dangerous. All right. Is it? Shh. It's a number 12. Raw on the left.
Oh, that looks nice.
It is the same.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, what a big yacht right there, love. Look.
Well, if you live on the water,
Look at that big yacht.
What is that, gator? I just catch him with my hand.
Oh my God, is that thunder?
That's not thunder, it's the alligator.
Wait, where are we going?
Into the water.
Are you crazy?
Yes, yeah. But that has nothing to do with what we're talking about.
Oh.
This is where you can launch your own private boat if you want to carry it a half a mile.
How are you gonna carry it?
Exactly.
Okay, if you wanna do sunbathing here by yourself, go ahead, Jan, please. Go.
Sunbathing. Private beach.
Go there, yeah, love. With William. Okay. Okay.
It's a really
Picture. Back. Picture. Let's go to the beach. Let's go away. Okay. Back now.
Turn the other trail.
Where?
Go straight and then turn right.
Where? Where is it, Yam?
The other.
Then why you bring us here?
We're gonna have to turn back anyway.
Oh, man. This is the life, the parents of William. When there is an assignment, the assignment is hiking, we have to be here too. Last week was community service, so have to go to the beach and pick up some trash.
Trail was here
Yeah,
in
we
the
found
early
a dead bird.
18th period.
And now,
Early air conditioning.
watch out, love.
We found a dead bird when we were.
And they buried it.
Why would I want a dead bird?
They found. Then now this is one of the project hiking,
I think it drowned.
and then there is hunting, which is forget it. We're not gonna do it. What we're gonna hunt here? Alligator? Away. Then there's also boating. Boating. Boating, forget it too. It won't gonna happen. Love, there's a boating.
A boating.
Boating.
Doesn't matter how you boat.
I'm talking about the boat. Not.
Yeah, early boating.
No,
Doesn't
no.
matter how you boat.
Boating. Boating. How can I pronounce it? Boating? Yeah, boating. Lab! You're
Yeah.
giving me a hard time.
Doesn't matter how you boat.
No, that's not what I'm talking about. Boating, like you go to the ocean with the boat.
Why would they do that there?
It's one of the project. And there's hunting.
I guess you can have early boating somewhere.
No.
No, we don't have to do the hunting or boating.
Where are you gonna hunt?
You just read it.
Where are you gonna hunt? There's no place in Florida to hunt.
Look at it.
Not around here. Number 13 over here. Watch out. He might jump out and hit you.
William, can you please don't take a video of my booty?
Could be there, unlock it, be around 13.
Smells kind of like.
Dead.
Smell a cemetery?
Smells like. Yo.
Smell like balls?
I don't know, love. How many boats have you been smell?
Well, I haven't any really, actually, but that's why I was asking.
Help. I don't think imagine if we bring Aso. He'll just poop everywhere. Oh, geez.
He'd poop everywhere, plus he would be going crazy, the sand would be flying up in your face. He wrapped around
Yan.
that tree 3 times.
Ayusin naman. Huwag mo i-shake-shake. Nakakahilo kaya yun.
We're
He wrapped
walking on
around
sand.
Every single tree.
Oh,
and
there's a
bush,
dog here.
Hold it.
He would be wrapped around everything.
Oh.
Then they would get you for destroying public property.
Number 15.
Boy, some little popcorn balls.
Mm-hmm.
Watch your step, man.
Oh, watch. Labo.
What's there?
There's a wood sticking out.
Oh, the tree. It used to be a tree. I'm gonna waiting for you to trip on that weed over there. Give us all something to laugh about.
Look, the stocking.
I'm very careful.
Oh, yeah, right. That's why you almost fell.
When,
A while ago.
well, that's because I had defective feet.
Mm-hmm. Where are we going now? Number 16.
I think we're back.
No. Oh, yeah.
We're
We're already there.
Not the same thing. Well, yeah.
Same
But
video.
Yeah.
Same bat channel.
Oh, yeah. They came. And they have
Oh, look, the storm's coming. You'll get to see how Pine Creek is falling.
Rob, how do you find Philippines?
You just get on a plane. Pilot usually knows where it is.
So we're going home?
Yep.
Oh, wait a minute. No, it's wrong.
Oh, you want to be out during the storm. You're going to be in for a big surprise.
I feel the rain, man.
It's gonna
I
rain
feel the
on
rain.
You should be going that way right now.
Where?
That way.
How long did we walk?
Well, I just saw a sign that says stupid people with an arrow that way. Smart people with an arrow this way.
It's starting to rain.
It's windy now.
That means it's gonna rain.
You don't want to get fried by yeah. Hi guys.
Right,
Don't forget to subscribe.
right.
Like the video. Tignan mo to. Look at this. Okay, I'm saying something. He just turned the camera. Let's break.
Right.
Okay. Stop moving the camera too much. Don't forget to like
Yeah, this is
and
easy.
subscribe our YouTube channel. LMT Space March State.
Up.
Okay?
Hashtag tree fell on me.
Now it's raining. Okay guys, don't forget, please like our videos and subscribe to our YouTube channel. LMT Space March State, one word. Look at that, you see that? That's rain coming, so we need to head back. WTF. I hope you don't get dizzy with our... I try to move slowly, I try to hold on the camera so you don't get dizzy watching this video. Okay?
We'll tell them where you were at so they'll come get you.
I have a phone, you know. They won't gonna fall on me. But I don't want to get wet here. It's raining. We need to move fast. Come on, guys. Move, 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 move. It's raining. Love, please don't do that. It's dangerous. That is something that not good. It's good for love, but not good to go to hospital this time. This is very close to our house. I didn't even know. This is my first time to come here. We have a lot of trails here in Florida. So maybe next time we go to Indian River, the new trail, bridge trail, something like that. So this is Florida. Welcome to Florida, full of sand and trees and bushes and weeds. Nice, and it's not cold. It's always hot. Woo! It's always hot, but today is not. I'm coming. Watch. Itong laki na to. You know, he's just being proud because he's walking ahead of me. It's not bad. It's really nice, you know, stay at home most of the time. It's nice to go out with my family. We're almost there. Okay. Alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope to see you again, and don't forget, please like and subscribe. Hit it, baby! Hit it! Alright? I'll see you next time. Babushki.